Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. I'm making this video after a long time. I'm sorry you have been very busy. Right, today I'll discuss some points that how a successful trader react in the situations when they lose or when they win. A successful trader is very calm. So if he lose or if she lose money while trading, they are calm, they manage their risk, and then don't get excited, don't get worried about their loss. Rather, they look what any mistake they have made, or is just the probability went against them. So this how they look at, and they don't just jump into under other trades because they made a loss to recover that quickly. So, and in the same way, if a trader wins, he's not overexcited. He just not keep putting more trades in their direction, but a successful trader will manage their risk. They only take more trades if they think the probability allows, and if they are free of risk, they have already break even the first trade, or they already in the profit, and they have managed to get some profit out of it and book some profit. So this is how you have to react, not only trading, in real life as well. You have to react intelligently, mm, because one of the thing authors or scholars have said that life is at 10% of actions, and 90% action, meaning something happens to us, and 90% is our reactions. And another scholar said that if you can control what that really means, and if you can control your reactions to the situation, that can be very good for you, and you can have a good control on your things in the life. And it's they also say that a reaction life of a reaction is basically a life of slavery. So you have to make your own decisions, not just react to things and then make decisions. Rather, you have to make thoughtful decisions with clear planning and clear thinking. I hope that helps towards your psychology and towards your trading. Thank you.